Do you feel like the holidays are a time to relax, but also the perfect time to gain an edge in your career? Are you looking to end the year strong to set yourself up for career success in the new year? Then this video is for you. In today's video, we'll be sharing 3 tips on how to set yourself up for career success over the holidays. We'll dive into carving out time, creating a vision for your career future, then building a plan and putting it into action. If you're new, hi, my name is Lukey, and I create educational videos on jobs, careers, and life. If you're looking for some practical tips, advice, and life lessons, subscribe to stay up to date. And make sure you stay until the end to get all the tips to end the year strong and set yourself for even more career success in the new year. Let's get started with carving out time. To get started, add some non-negotiable time into your holiday schedule. You can watch this video for more details on what exactly is non-negotiable time. Over the typical week or so that you have during the holidays, consider allocating an hour. And if you can do more, that's even better. Also allocate an hour a week of non-negotiable time forever. If you can do half an hour a day or more, that's even better. During that non-negotiable time, do one thing that moves you closer to any of your goals in your career vision. Now that you've carved out the time, let's move on to creating your career vision. What is that vision and how do you actually create it? Remember that first hour you allocated over the holiday week? That's where you brainstorm your vision to understand what you want. Career success starts with knowing what you want. I've been recommending folks to write their retirement memo. You want to imagine that you're 65 or whenever you plan to retire. And if your career turned out exactly as you had hoped, what happened? If you have multiple goals, you could have multiple variants. No need to be perfect. Just do what you can in an hour, half an hour, or whatever you were able to manage during the holidays. If you're struggling with envisioning what you want, write your challenges in the comments. When you have your vision, take it one level of detail down. For each element, ask yourself, what does that mean to you? Let's say you want to be financially free. What does that mean for you? Perhaps that means being able to take a vacation overseas every year, having a nice house, having a nice car. Let's say you want to have a fulfilling career. What does that mean for you? Perhaps that means getting to an executive level or becoming a mentor for multiple people. Let's say you want to contribute to your community. What does that mean for you? Perhaps that means growing a local not-for-profit and increasing their reach and the number of people that they helped. Perhaps it's raising a family and kids that volunteer for the community on a regular basis. Then for each of those, go down another level of detail and ask, what does that mean for you? Now that you have your vision, the goal is to turn your vision into a plan. You don't have to do so for every single one, and pick the ones that are most compelling for you. And if you're finding this video helpful, then why not join the Focus Inspired Academy, which is your gym for career confidence. Go deeper into these concepts and get group coaching to help. Check the link in the description box below for a free 1-month trial for supporting the channel. As you start going down to levels of detail, you'll basically be building your plan. That plan now needs to be put into action. Every few months, take some time to adjust your plans or even adjust your broader vision goals. Then keep going until your vision becomes a reality. So during the holidays, carve out an extra hour of time to create a vision for your career future and allocate non-negotiable time to work through the details of your plan and put it into action. Plus, be sure to refine the actions and goals periodically. What do you think about the suggestions in the video? Let me know what tips you recommend in the comments or if I missed anything. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on jobs, careers, and life. By the way, if you want to invest more time and learn how to learn faster, check out this video.